In this lesson, we are going to learn how to describe a verb that lasts for a short period of time.
我检查一下。
Let me check for a second. Are you ready?
我检查一下你的舌头。没什么问题，你只是感冒了，你以后要注意多休息，吃点药就好了。
谢谢医生，再见。
再见。我检查一下。
我检查一下。
Let me check for a second.
检查
Means check.
一下
Is often used after a verb to relax the tone instead of indicating the exact time of the occurrence of an action. Its usage is like that of verb reduplication. For example,
检查一下
check for a second.
注意一下
Pay attention for a minute.
休息一下
Have a rest for a second. Now follow me in reading these sentences.
我检查一下
Let me check for a second.
有问题吗
Are there any problems?
没问题注意休息
No problem. Take care of yourself, please. In this lesson, we learned how to describe a verb that lasts for a short period of time.
我检查一下
Let me check for a second. Did you understand it?
再见
Goodbye.